My journey at Access Max Life of 3 years has been all about acceleration and action, much like the theme of this year's International Women's Day, which is accelerating action. What I've really enjoyed being at Access Max Life is the equal opportunity that everybody has here.
Joining Access Max Life 2 years back was a leap of faith for me. The immense opportunities, the positive work environment, the support I got from my peers, my leaders, and my family was immense.
What I love most about Access Max Life Insurance is how it invests in its people. They just don't see employees, they see potential to nurture.
I'm part of Access Max Life from past 3 years. My journey here has been extremely enriching. I have worked on enhancing customer experience and worked on business growth levers, which has led to Access Max Life being number one in market share in the online space.
I have been associated with this organization for 17 years, and when I joined here as an executive, I really did not know what an incredible journey I'm going to begin here. This organization has evolved me, polished me, not only as an individual but as a professional as well, with the kind of opportunities I got. New assignments, new roles, new teams only ensure that I'm nudged and challenged to only do better.
Proudly working with Access Max Life for last 20 years. I started my career as a sales manager and I've risen through ranks to the national head level.
In last 10 years, journey with Access Max Life Insurance is truly exceptional for my sales career, as I got an opportunity to start 5 new verticals for my zone.
In the last 5 years stint with Access Max Life Insurance, what I love the most about this organization is the employee centricity. And not only that, the way organization empowers women.
This is my second innings. Post 1 year, I got a call from my leadership asking to join back again, and they showed an innate confidence in me to take up a role which was entirely different from the last one.
Feeling proud to be a part of Access Max Life for my second innings. I really appreciate the culture that we have here that supports work-life balance for women, enabling us to thrive both personally and professionally.
I'm part of a channel where more than 50% of the advisors are women. And the way they proudly talk about their story, their inspiration, the way they have grown, evolved with Access Max Life is beautiful.
The entire spirit of Max Life runs on diversity, equity and inclusion in true sense. You have a voice, you're heard, and you can create an impact.
At Access Max Life, we have gone in a journey of DE&I to a very mature level by now. It not only advances in terms of the career as well, providing some flexible work policies, but also it gives an inclusive work environment, which not only enhances our internal culture, but also it gives an impact to our external reputation as well.
A team and the function that you're part of truly defines what the culture of an organization is, and I'm proud to say that marketing in Access Max Life has the highest diversity quotient in the organization. It helps one get different perspectives to a problem. Anything that comes in, we would agree that women always look at a problem differently.
I talk about the gender diversity here. We focus a lot on bringing women workforce. And not just this, we also focus on bringing persons with different disabilities in the workforce, and also create job opportunities in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities, which basically brings diversity at different levels.
DEIN isn't a buzzword. It's not a fad. It is a fundamental mind shift. How do we interact with each other? How do we value each other? It's about bringing true self to the organization without being judged.
Access Max Life Insurance is a great place to work for the females, as you get all the new opportunities. Only you have to believe in your potential and be ready to grab the opportunities.
I'm glad to be part of an organization which embraces diversity and inclusion. Every voice here is valued, is heard, irrespective of the gender.
Don't sell yourself short. Whether it's at work or home, don't be afraid to speak up. Don't be afraid to put your point across. own the space where you're at, because you truly deserve to be here.
Take a bet on yourself. Take risk. Say yes to opportunities and support each other to accelerate action.
Go after your dream. Once you start believing in your dream, everything in this world will make it happen. Have your majesty, grandeur, and greatness, which will make you good to great.
Believe me, self-affirmation is the key. Take your decision, trust yourself, and love yourself.
Believe in your abilities, be confident, and accept the challenges on the way.
Be bold and don't shy away from sharing your voice. At the same time, I would request other women to lift the other women as well.
Dream big, work harder, and ensure that during this whole journey you inspire more girls like you to join.
Let's break the barriers. Let's redefine possibilities, redefine the potential, celebrate each other's potential, and ensure that every woman gets the opportunity to be celebrated.
This is an organization where we have limitless opportunities. It's up to you to seize them and shine to make Access Max Life even a greater place to work for.
We actually standing on the shoulders of all those women who have come before us. We are walking along trailblazers, and we owe it to the next generation to pave the way.
Soar high, sky is the limit. जीत उन्हीं की होती है जिनमें कुछ कर दिखाने का हौसला होता है, और उन्हीं के पीछे एक दिन काफिला होता है.
And we really have to own the space where we're working, and also chin up always and walk tall and sparkle everywhere that you go.
Do not let other people define you. Be the creator of your own success story.
Follow your passion. When work and passion combines, I think that makes work joy. Work is a friend then.
Keep reaching higher. Let's break barriers. Let's lift one another, and let's drive success. To embrace our uniqueness, believe in ourselves, celebrate the successes, prioritize self-care, stay curious, and keep shining.